So, this couple was parked on this dark lover's lane, and they heard a rattling on the side of the car. Now, the woman had heard on the news that this convict with a hook for a hand had recently escaped the local asylum. So she's begging her boyfriend to take her home, but he won't listen. He wants to keep necking, or whatever they called it.
No! That pushy idiot. No means no.
Wait, necking?
That's what they called kissing back then.
We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang like birds of a feather.
Anyway, so this time she hears a rattle on her car door handle, and she freaks. She demands that her boyfriend take her home. So he does, but he's angry. He screeches out of the lane, takes her home. They don't talk. He pulls up in front of her house. She gets out of the car. She slams the door and screams.
What happened?
There was a bloody hook hanging from the door handle.
I feel so bad being here without Ellie. She would love this.
I know, but she did give us her blessing. She's probably having fun tonight, too.
Those traitors. Coming. Oh my God, you guys are so cute. You guys remind me of my friends and I when we were your age. Before there was drama and boyfriends and theft.
Okay, I have one. But mine's not a ghost story, it's just a creepy thing that happened to me. But I'm not even sure if I should tell it.
Okay, now you have to tell it.
She's just amping herself up. So transparent.
Stop ruining our fun. Go ahead, Astrid.
Okay, well, last year on Halloween, I went with a couple of Crown Lake girls and some guys from the boys' boarding school and met up in the cemetery.
You know, I'm gonna go get some more drinks. I'll be right back.
The girls convinced me to wait until midnight to knock on the door of this mausoleum. Supposedly, if you knocked 3 times, right at midnight, the ghost of this little girl would knock back. So, I waited until midnight. Just when it turned 12, I knocked. 3 times. And I waited. But nothing happened. I waited 15 minutes just to prove I wasn't afraid. By that time, all the other girls had left, leaving me alone. Thought it was just a stupid prank. But when I got back to my dorm that night, just as I got into bed, I heard a deafening knock. 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 Right on my door. I froze.
It must have been those girls playing a trick on you.
Yeah, I thought so too. I didn't even get up to check. The thing is, the knocking hasn't stopped.
What do you mean?
I hear it. At midnight. Almost every night. Even after I left Crown Lake.
Whoa, you hear the knocking at my house?
Honestly, yeah. I didn't tell you because I thought you'd think I was crazy.
Yeah, no, it's crazy.
But the thing is, the girl that got locked in the mausoleum eventually got out. never stopped trying to get revenge on the girls who put her in there.
What happened?
Dude, the lights went out. It's probably somebody messing with us.
No. The speakers went out, so it's a power outage.
Well, if it's a power outage, the whole block might be out.
A power outage? In the middle of a story? No. Something's going on.
Right, it's the escape ghost girl from the story. Ooh.
Don't be mean. We can just figure out a way to get the lights back on. Where did Robbie go?
He went to get another drink. Maybe he turned the light out as a joke.
Hey, Robbie. You can stop messing with us, man. You got us. Robbie?
What was that noise?
I'm sure he just dropped something. It's dark.
Okay, then one of us needs to go and help him find the fuse box.
No, we are staying together. You guys know what happens in scary movies when they split up?
This isn't a scary movie, Quinn.
Jesse! Don't do that.
Not funny.
Sorry, she's too easy.
I'll go find Robbie and see if he needs help.
Isn't it a little late to be trick-or-treating? Haven't you been here before?
Nope.
Oh my god, you guys are so cute! Yes, you have! Oh my god, you're the giraffe! How many times have you been here?
A few.
Listen, you can't do that! This is premier candy, and I've spent all day bagging it.
Yeah, why do you think I keep coming back? I'm not gonna waste my time on some fun-sized trash. I mean, come on.
What's wrong with you?
Carpe diem, man.
Ah! That's woman to you.
Where are they?
It probably just takes a long time to find the fuse box in the dark. Right, guys?
Guys, this isn't funny anymore.
You guys, Robbie isn't here, and I think someone's outside.
What? No. Robbie wouldn't leave his own party.
Well, I looked everywhere, and then I heard voices outside.
He's not answering his phone either.
You know, maybe it's just Johnny. Or Robbie's jerk cousin. Maybe they just convinced Robbie to freak us out, so he's hiding outside and making noises.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I don't know. I looked but didn't see anyone.
Is that?
Knocking. You guys heard that too, right?
Yes, we heard it. You know what? Had enough of this. I'm going out there myself.
I'll go with you.
You guys,
What?
that's not Robbie's cousin. He just posted a pic with Johnny 4 minutes ago. They're at a Millwood party.
Where do you think the fuse box is?
Could be anywhere.
Be careful. Somebody's probably waiting around a corner to scare you.
I'm not jumpy.
Come on, let's go together.
So then he moved in with his friend Johnny and cousin River, who is an overall nightmare and a terrible influence.
That's not a good sign.
I know! And now he's like a completely different person.
That sucks. Are you really not gonna give me another bag?
And on top of it all, he's throwing a party tonight, and all my friends went without me.
Are you kidding?
I mean, I told him to go ahead and do it, but still, like, I'm here, alone.
No, I get it. All my friends think we're too old for trick-or-treating. They'd make fun of me if they even knew.
Well, You are a little old.
Yeah, I should probably just go home.
Wait. So early.
Strange. Still no fuse box.
Yeah, just a bunch of stuff.
Oh, I have to tell you something.
Okay.
So, a few weeks ago, I got an email about an art contest, and I was just gonna delete it. But then I saw that the winner gets to premiere their art in a gallery for a month.
So you entered it?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
for you. I entered your work, and you won.
What?
Okay, this is crazy. I'm not staying in here to die.
You were the one who told us to stick together.
Okay, well, it's all of us for ourselves now. Sorry. I'm going out there. Flash, wanna come?
Why me and not me?
Because Flash is taller.
Robbie, where are you, man? This is getting a little bit old.
Flash, what is this?
Oh my god.
No! What was that?
I don't know, but it rhymes.
What?
My arm.
Sorry.
I think I'll go check on the others. Arthur, do you want to come?
Oh my god, I forgot you were here.
Yeah, I'll go. Yeah.
Guess we'll hold down the fort.
What's happening? Someone is messing with us. They wrote that message on the wall.
It's way too late for trick-or-treating.
I've seen that before.
This is so messed up.
Guys.
It's a good one, Robbie.
Robbie, stop. I seriously can't handle it anymore.
I have a feeling Robbie's taller than that.
Look, I told you, I'm out of candy. Go home.
Everybody calm down. That's definitely not Robbie.
Astrid, is that you?
What's going on now?
Harmony? How you did this?
Oh, you guys fell for it.
You're a sociopath, both of you.
You really are a criminal mastermind. Ready?
Oh my God, you guys so good.
Yeah, that was good.
We're good.
Look, I know you have a really big decision to make, and I don't want to undermine your time. But I think you should know the facts.
Listening?
To be totally truthful and honest, this one only has a 70% on Rotten Tomatoes, but it's severely underrated. And this one, it's bad too, but it stars Hugh Grant, so you can't go wrong.
You really messed up.
I know.
Please don't do it again.
Next time on Chicken Girls.
I just wanted to come out and say thank you so much for coming and seeing and supporting my work.
You know none of this matters to me unless you're by my side.
I was just wondering if you'd like to go to the gallery today.
I don't know if you're into me or if there's like someone else. I'd really like to take you on a date, Ryan.